Hello, how's it going everybody? This is the Midwest Fan Collector here, and today I will be showing you a 2002 to 2003 Lasko box fan. I picked this up for a few bucks at a Cleveland Habitat store a few months ago when I was visiting a fan collector friend of mine. It's a pretty decent fan. It's right when they were starting to go downhill. But this is probably one of the last Lasko box fans that were somewhat decent. It's got the older mushroom knob, which is very childhood. And it's got the cool swirly K logo. Alrighty, we'll start it off on low. I will say, these fans do put out a nice breeze. Alrighty everybody, I hope you enjoyed that quick video and more to come later.